Hello, and thank you for clicking on this link. Today I will be showing you how to code HTML. Now this template, the link for the template is in the description, but it can also be found on pastebin.com. If you just search HTML template, go to that, and this comes. But there's also a link to it in the description. So, let's get started with HTML. So first things first, you want to give your web page. Now, actually, I should probably explain what HTML is for. Now, also, I'd recommend using a script editor for this, because when you're using a text editor like this, it can get really irritating. Just the script editor I would recommend is called Sublime Text, and if you look down here, I've got it right there. It's a free application. Sorry for all the zooming. Okay, it's a free application and it's very useful. So, what is HTML? HTML is a web-based coding script. As you can see here, if you right click and click open in browser, this appears. Now let me explain these chunks. This, if I go to Firefox, this title is what will appear up here. So let's give this a title. I'm going to call it tutorial. You can call it what you want. I'd recommend calling it first web page. Open in browser. And now it says tutorial instead. Looks a bit better, doesn't it? Now, the rest, everything else goes in the body. You type all your text, but we need a header. So to do a header, you have to make a tag. Tags are done with these arrow things. And then a closing tag. You always need a closing tag, so always, otherwise the script just won't run. Like, look. If I open in browser, if I, like, for instance, type the header here, tutorial page, then I open it. Wait, I need to save it first. Silly me. Then I open it. It doesn't come up as a header. So close that header. Let me just close the console. Close the header. Save it. Open it in the browser. And it should look like that. Now you can also do H1, which is useful. H1 makes it bigger. Makes it more of a header. So I'd recommend using H1 instead of header. Then you can type your main thing by doing P1. But you don't even have to do that, really. You can just type in your text. Like, for instance, this is a tutorial, actually. Just to help. Boom. It's going to take this. And there we go. Now, one thing you might want to notice, if we type hi, do an enter, and then do hi again, look at what happens. There is no enter. Instead of doing enters, you have to do breaks with no closing tag. If you do a closing tag, it won't work. So remember that. And try to take all of this in. And then if I show you, hi, this is a tutorial. So that is it for this HTML tutorial. Bye!